Well, thanks for jumping back once again into another video of the series Technical Analysis. In this series, we analyze different coins and give you potential entries and good insights about different coins. Okay, so before we begin the video, make sure you jump into this description and you click this link and join our crypto community, which is the most profitable community here. And then you subscribe the channel and make sure you turn on the notifications. Talking about the community, I want you to see that we are doing good in the community and we are helping each other, solving each other's problems, as you can see here. So don't forget to join the community just by clicking the link in the description. So here you go. You see this Bitcoin movement in front of you guys. In the last video, I told you about this flag as well. This seems to be a bearish flag. However, I must say that the structure of a bearish flag that a bearish flag should have is somehow, it seems to be broken now. Let's refresh it and let's see if it works on the previous one. Now this one seems to be a better structure, I mean. So I don't know, sometimes it happens, you know, you might have drawn a wrong structure. That is also the case. No problem in that. You just need to accept that. Now what you see is that this thing happening right in front of you guys. You see that is this thing that is breaking this flag, the Bitcoin. So yesterday I told you about being short at this place as well, at this place as well. If it was not breaking to the upside, that definitely means you should be having so much enough knowledge, let's say, to short it automatically at your own judgment. That's why you need to learn technical analysis. If you have not learned that, there are some things that you should know somehow, like selling short on the resistance level as well. So now talking about this scenario, what is that I am expecting? Well, I'm not expecting anything. I see what is happening right in front of me. The support line of this trend line has been broken, and what could happen is that either it could go back again with a big wick, just like this one, or there is another thing that could happen. It can go back here for a retest. Does the retest, comes back down again to this level. However, the targets for this flag remains this, but we see a good support somewhere, let's say this level, I would say. So this one seems to be a support line that could come into play. You can see this was a resistance one, second time, third time, and when the resistance was broken, it had to retest it with a red candle. You can see a little wick on the red candle. That means there was a buying here as well. The buyers took the strength. It shows here along with this green candle that the buyers took the strength here. It broke it out of this pattern and did this 12% move. So that would be the level I would be keeping a close eye on. There's a possible, it is possible that that place could break it also, but at the same time you can see that it's not necessary that it has to be broken or it has to be bounced, but this looks like a support. I want you to be vigilant. If you are in your short trades, that would be a good idea to close your shorts at 29,300. That is the place I would want you to close your shorts. I won't recommend opening any longs at that place because it's too early. We need to observe the structure, because that is what you do, to be careful. And talking about the RSI, if you see it comes here, if it comes here, so it was talking about a structure that is a possibility that can happen, is that if this price comes at this place, let's say, and it creates this thing, the double bottom, along with the RSI movement to be not dropping below this line, I would say, something like that. Let me just bring it up. If the RSI stays like that, it reverses from here, or let's just say, let's make it easy for you, the RSI stays above this level, it does not fall below 18.41. If the RSI stays above this 18.41, it could be like here, anything like that. That would create a divergence that is called the bullish divergence, that I have explained in one of my lectures as well. Like when the price forms this thing, and the RSI, it forms something like this. RSI is inclining like this, and the price, it is just creating two bottoms, just like as you see the one, and you want a two here. If it comes here along with the RSI movement, that is a bullish thing. That means that you can take an entry, you can risk an entry here at that point. However, you must be vigilant, because there could be a stop loss hunt at this point as well. So you need to take a low position here so that you do not risk anything more. Let's jump to the coin BNB. I have a short position in BNB right now. I have updated in this short position in the group as well. So according to my last video, my last analysis, I told you about BNB having this area as a local support level that would come into play at the smaller time frame, and talking about the resistance, that with the resistance. But there is something you have to see in the BNB as well, and that is this in head, shoulder, and this head and this shoulder. What if this pattern breaks out? So that would not be a good idea or something that you would want. Let's say this is the neckline, it breaks down here. Let's take the fibs. Well, that's almost there. Yeah, that's almost around 1.618. That'd be $270. However, yeah, 270, just a difference of $2. So I would mark that zone. If you want an entry in BNB, a good entry, when the market is falling, that would be this place. And telling that, do I recommend an opening of short at this position, at this level? Well, it's a little bit complex. If you get BNB below this support with a retest, not like this one, you want it with a retest, it goes below, it comes back and retest, then you might want to open a short till this place at $270. And talking about the divergence that I told you in the Bitcoin, there is also a possibility of the same divergence here, because it's almost close, and the RSI, it is yet above, it is very above that. You can check the MACD as well if you want. So this is the MACD. Yeah, MACD also might form something like the same. I told you about the divergence. Anyways, that would be it. However, that was a good short. If you missed it, then you missed it. So, okay, that would be it for the BNB and Bitcoin. If you have not subscribed the channel and you like the videos, please make sure you subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up and join the community as well. See you in the next video.